Done through. Just got back from paint. The paint looks pretty nice, actually. Looks very nice. They they sandblasted it and painted it a beautiful green color. Did just a fantastic job. So you can see we got the plate off right here. And Michael is going ahead and feeding the new harness in. They got these little clips so it'll hold it'll kind of retain the most important parts of the harness, hold them together. Got the floor up and maneuvering the harness all the way in. We're back at Heavy Haul HQ. We just got this trailer in. This is for Dunpru. They do specialized equipment transport. And this one in particular, they just got it back from paint. I think they got it painted over at McDonough Truck and Trailer. The paint came out great. They sandblasted it and put this like lime green kind of color. It's not Lamborghini green. This is like a lime green color. What are we doing on this project? We got a work order over here. It came back from paint. They sandblasted it. We're doing a complete wiring harness, airbags, leveling valve system, and I'll show you how that goes. And then flooring. It says see Nick, but what I think it is these runner boards down here. We got to kind of touch up the aluminum flooring. So it's got the triangles. That means it's a Trail King trailer. Follow the triangles. Trail King's one of the best manufacturers out there. They really do really specialized stuff. You can see the keyhole slot rated for 1/2-inch chain. And a lot of the cross members down in here are aluminum. So it's an ultralight kind of trailer. It's got some chain boxes down in there. And you see all the triangles. So we're going to kind of patch the floor up, replace the Apatong. It's got new paint. And then these are the harnesses. So this would be like a front main harness. You got different extension harnesses, more front mains, probably for the back of it, and then all the peripheral kind of side harnesses. You can see here on the trailer, they've even got it kind of mirror polished here. So you can kind of see the paint. It got a little dusty out in the yard, but it came out really nice. Oh, other thing we're doing is underglow. So we're going to jack this thing up and then right down the middle underneath, we're going to do some lighting underneath. So this would be the start of it, and we'll walk you around and show you how we perform all these repairs. Oh, and we got to get them some new mud flaps. I don't know who Cardinal Transport is, but we'll get them some beautiful TM trailer mud flaps. And then we'll get this thing back on the road. And we're back. So yesterday we got the harness completely put in, and as you can see, the lights are lit up now. Today we just got to button up the harness, and I'm going to show you a few other little things. Okay, so as you can see, the lights are lit up. We're buttoning up some of the pieces, and then we talked to Paul Pruitt. He's the owner of this trailer, and he wants new diamond plate aluminum fenders back there and in the center. So we ordered him some new mud flaps for the bottom, new diamond plate aluminum fenders there. Today we're putting on the airbags. Later today or either tomorrow, we're going to take up some of this floor where it's popped loose. So it's popped loose like here and in some other areas. It's popped a little loose there. It's got some little holes here and then some in the back. We're going to take the floor up, flip it over, and we're going to fix it from the bottom, plate it from the bottom, and get that kind of going new. We talked with them yesterday. Next time we'll probably do some Apatong flooring. This is going to get kind of expensive. Also, I'm taking off the winch, winches for the winch straps. Take them off because he don't use them. You can see where they have this kind of round bar here. That allowed them to kind of have straps going over the corner without cutting into the straps. Get the airbags on today. Oh, and then I was going to show you one more thing. We got all our equipment back here, buttoning up the rear lights. All new lights, all new harness. So that'll be good. And it's factory harness. We are an authorized Trail King distributor, as well as Fontaine, Landau, Talbert, Kalen Seibert, you name it. All the heavy hitters, all the trailers that we believe in, we are an authorized dealer for. And this one, you know, is a Trail King because you just follow the triangles. It's a sign of excellence. What was I going to show you? Oh, here it is. So these are On the Fontaines, they call it a whittle valve. Well, what this does is it allows you to slide your leveling valve in the back up and down, and that thing has gotten in disarray. And then I don't know if we're doing it on this project or a future project, and I don't know how long I can make this video because I don't want to make the video go too long. But right here and here, he hauls specialized battery powered trucks and other types of trucks and equipment. So we're going to make a ramp kit through one of our other vendors, which is Heavy Duty Ramps. We're set up direct with the parent company of Heavy Duty Ramps. So if you need ramps, we have them at a great discount. And so we're going to have the brackets for the ramps go here, and then that way he can load to the back of the trailer. So we'll get you an update here shortly on how this project is coming along. All right, let's go do a quick update. So we have the trailer here. Who's behind me? Oh, there's Brandon over there. Brandon's slinking around the shop. All right, so we got it. Last time we were waiting on Michael to patch up the floor. Let's go take a look and see what it looks like. So we were able to cut the floor out in slices, plate it flush, so that way he can still slide stuff across there. It's smooth as butter. And so now all the places in the floor that had holes in it, here, there. Let me get over in the paint on the trailer without getting into the paint. Here and there, we were able to straighten it out. We tried taking the floor out. We were going to turn it over and kind of beat it down, but all the screws are stuck into this floor. And then we got another one up there. So the next update will be us jacking this baby in the air, and we're going to put underglow on it. Still got to put the brackets in the back, and we still got to fix the override system. Where's the handles for these at? I'm assuming they're back here somewhere. All right, let's get our first looks of what we're attempting to do. This is a mechanical neck though, so it'll stay low to the ground, lower to the ground. We'll have some kind of green lighting there. There we go. Anyway, so that'll look good. It's what the customer wanted. I like how it shows up underneath. And it's what the customer wanted, and it shows up through all the green triangles. Follow the triangles for the Trail King. All right, we're powered up. We're trying to get our positioning on our lighting. So we've kind of got the green lights dangled down below. And then we're trying to see which angle we're gonna get them to stay at. So we got that one clamped right there for now, but we don't know whether we want them to shine down further. And then that way we can nail them. We got all the winches for the 4-inch straps cut off, so then it's gonna go back to paint. The guys saved a little bit of the paint so they can paint that area back there. Or either we could cut it off some more, but then we're gonna just ruin more of the paint. And boom, we're done. We got the remote control system on it. We got the modules in there, floor's all fixed up and ready to go. We got to get it back over to paint so they can fix this spot where they didn't get the winch straps off. And then when it comes back, from paint, we're going to get these brackets on the back. This is an old used one we had here to kind of mock it up. That way it'll kind of mock it up, but we'll have these brackets where you can attach the ramp and drive like a little truck back onto this unit. You step over the paint, and then I think next time we see this customer, we're probably going to put some new Apatong on there, put some new Apatong flooring on it next time. They'll have a pretty good trailer. So he's got a new harness, all new lighting, new paint. Now this trailer has a lot of life left back into it. Then we just got a huge order in. We're now set up with the biggest distributor in North America of truck and trailer parts. So now we'll have better pricing for all our customers. And we're building a community here on YouTube and other social media. Thank you guys all for watching. Please like, share to someone that's interested and enthusiastic about trucking.
Yo,
and
it's Happy
subscribe
Hour
if you want to see more
HQ. Rolling
videos.
with the crew, moving those big loads. Yeah, you know how we do. We got the ribs, the power and the mic. From dawn to dusk, we own the night. Oversized loads ain't nothing but a thing. Got the trailer stretched out, feel the metal sing. Trucks